We'll guide you through how to use BCC in Outlook. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to send emails to multiple recipients without revealing everyone's email addresses. Using BCC helps protect privacy, prevent reply-all chains, and maintain professionalism. To begin this tutorial, open Microsoft Outlook on your computer. Type your Outlook email address in the provided field to log in to Microsoft Outlook. Make sure you enter the correct email address associated with your account. After typing your email address, click Continue to proceed with the login process. Once you have successfully signed in and your mailbox is visible, go to the Mail section to access your email tools. Next, click New Mail to create a new message. A Compose window will open on your screen where you can begin preparing your email. In the Compose window, click the BCC option located on the right side of the field. After clicking this option, the BCC field will now appear below the field, allowing you to add hidden recipients. For the second method, you can also enable the BCC field through the menu options. Select Options on the top menu of the Compose window. From the available settings, check Show BCC to activate the feature. Once selected, the BCC field will now appear below the field, just like in the first method. After the BCC field is visible, enter the primary recipient's email address in the field. This is the main person who will receive the email openly. Then, enter the email addresses you want to hide in the BCC field. These recipients will receive the email, but their addresses will not be visible to other recipients. Next, type your email subject in the subject field. For example, how to use BCC in Outlook, so the purpose of the email is clear. After that, click inside the email body area and type your message. For example, use BCC in Outlook. Write your content clearly and professionally according to your needs. Before sending the message, review the recipients in the To and BCC fields carefully to ensure the correct people are included and that hidden recipients are properly placed in the BCC field. When everything is correct and ready, click Send to deliver the email.